बुधवारा सभापती डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हांच्या हजेरीत दोन संस्थेमदी करार सय जाला. CII आणि यंग इंडिया ही संस्था अव्यय दान ह्या विशयाचेर जागृताय हाडपाक वावर करता. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
First of all, I'll say the congratulations for the CII for signing this agreement with IMA. Also, congratulations for Meda Sarkar and IMA team. Actually, this is a pride moment for me also to be present at this junction, because I think this is a new chapter in the state of Goa by signing the agreement between the two organizations. This is a new setup in the advance in medical field. Now the initiatives you have taken, IMA and especially Dr. Shekhar Sarkar, since from the beginning they have made awareness amongst the government, actually from the secretary level to the CM level, and some changes in law it is required. Till now it is required, but it did not happen. In the southern part of the India, they have already started.
Today we are going to sign a MOU with the young Indians, which will over a period of time will unveil what is its impact. But I want to really thank the young Indians. I will take this opportunity to thank them because they have come after reading our this. When Rupesh called me one day with Rohit Jatiye, that they want to collaborate with us as IMA and train the JIM students